Well, happy July 4th. Looks like we got a Simplicity 4212. That's the last one I bought. So I sold my original 4212 and this is the replacement. Battery's out of it, so I'm not going to start it. 36-inch deck like normal. Got a crazy reinforced hitch on it. See the front of it, a little damaged. No big deal. It's got another little thingy on it. Said it was for a plow. Obviously not an original plow. And as you can see, things are kind of empty in here. I've never really done a video on the Ford 1950 Ford 8N. I've got a bunch of parts, hoods, and things underneath it. Mower decks. Another mower deck. But it runs and drives. You can see the rear tire. Let's take a look at this first. There's the front of it. The rear tire here is in bad shape. You can see it's pretty low. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. But it needs a new wheel and tire. It's getting rusted out from the calcium chloride in there. And here's the latest haul from today. Couple 36-inch mower decks, 36-inch snowblower for Simplicities, 4200, 52, 6200, and some others. It'll fit. Here's another trailer I bought for vacation. Put a top on it so we wouldn't get a bunch of rain in. It's certainly not waterproof, as you can see here. There's a gap here. I don't know, the trailer came with the back end sawed off like that. You could tell it's clearly was cut right here and right here. But so I just put a little gate in the back of it so you can flip it up and throw some bins in there and stuff for your travel needs. I guess I'm going to keep it. I originally was going to buy it and then resell it, but I think we're going to keep it now just in case. So that'll be going to my parents' house. And then here is the July 4th lineup. Just figured I'd get them all out, and every time I do this I'm amazed at how many I have. But there's the 20 GTH, better known as a Sunstar. Got a 46-inch four-way plow on the front of it, and 48-inch deck, which is not on it. 98 Massey Ferguson 2920, also known as a Simplicity Legacy, power steering, 48-inch deck, bad seat, bad front end. Runs and drives, cuts the grass, pretty darn nice. I've been using that actually to cut grass. Cub Cadet 3185, 48-inch deck, 54-inch plow, four-way plow on that one as well. Yeah, it's a 48-inch deck. Rusty, and you can't see the cutting blade on the plow, but it's like half gone. Somebody cut it off or something, I don't know. Must have been rusted. Simplicity 6216 with shuttle shift that doesn't work. Don't know how to fix it. Still got to try and dig into that a little bit more. I put a different engine in it, runs and drives, no battery in it right now, so it was pushed out here. Simplicity Sun Runner 48-inch deck, 16 horse Briggs & Stratton Vanguard. It's coming apart. I just bought it for the engine, basically. Keep the seat, the engine, and the rest can be either sold or taken to scrap. That deck is for this tractor. It is a 16 GTH, but now, since painted, is the Black Knight, or Dark Knight, I should say. Sorry, the Dark Knight. So that one is running and driving. This one here, Simplicity 12 RTH, I think it is, or LTH. I put a 5-inch pulley on it so it goes faster. I know it's got a hydro and I shouldn't do it, but I did it anyway. And last but not least, the Farm King 16 horse hydro, better known as an MTD 990, with the front end loader. Have not re-put on the pump belt for the loader. But she runs and drives. I'm not sure I'm keeping it now. I really thought I was gonna, I'm gonna keep it for sure, blah blah blah, but I don't know. Got a 3-point hitch on it, got the chains on it. I got a bunch of different attachments for it, a plow, a disc, obviously the loader. So yeah, there's the 4th of July tractor lineup for y'all. Always changing, except for probably the Sunstar or the 20 GTH. And the Dark Knight I don't think I'm selling. So that's it. Thanks for watching.